Hello kids! I am Teacher Jean. Welcome to our English class. Are you ready? Come on, let's start! In today's lesson, you will be classifying sounds here. Read the names of the following pictures and try to produce their sounds. Snake, drum, clock, volcano, take note that animals produce different sounds. Musical instruments have different sounds. Some objects produce sound. Environment have different sounds. Now, get ready with your paper and pencil. Let's start with our first writing activity. Which of the following produce animal sounds? Write their names in your paper. Bag, tiger, elephant, telephone, car, owl. You have 1 minute to answer. Time's up. Let's check your answers. The following produce animal sounds. Tiger, elephant, owl. Did you get it? Very good. Let's continue to our next activity. Choose the musical instruments below. Write their names in your paper. Guitar, boy, xylophone, drum, violin, bag. You have 1 minute to answer. Time is up. Let's check your answers. The following are musical instruments. Guitar, xylophone, drum, violin. Did you get it? Good job. Here is the next activity. Which of the following objects produce sounds? Write their names in your paper. Bag, clock, pencil, telephone, leaf, car. You have 1 minute to answer this activity. Time's up. Let's check your answers. The following objects produce sounds: clock, telephone, car. Did you get it? Fantastic! Now, continue doing the next activity. Which of the following things from the environment produce sounds? Write their names in your paper. False, leaf, lightning, volcano, rain, river. You have 1 minute to answer this activity. Time's up. Let's check your answers. Things from the environment that produce sounds are falls, volcano, rain, river. Did you get it? Perfect! Let us remember that all sounds come from a vibrating object. Sounds may come from animals, musical instruments, mechanical objects, and environment. Did you understand? To measure your understanding of our lesson today, do this final activity. Look at the picture and choose the letter of the sound it produces. Write your answer in your paper. Number 1. Snake. A. B. C. Number 2. Motorcycle. A. B. C. Number 3, guitar. A. B. C. Number 4, dog. A. B. C. Number 5, river. A. B. C. Let's check your answers. Number 1, snake. The correct answer is letter A. Number 2, motorcycle. The correct answer is letter C. Number 3, guitar. The correct answer is letter B. Number 4, dog. The correct answer is letter B. Number 5, river. The correct answer is letter A. That's all, kids. See you in our next lesson. Bye.